again, your village content girl, bringing a variety of different videos that you had not known, or you've been knowing, or you want to learn some of the things. This channel is for you. Here you can learn, you can pause. You know, that's the good thing of having a video on YouTube. You can just, it is not a live that you, when you pass, it will not like you might miss some of the parts. For this, you can pause, learn, and go on with our day life. I remember the previous videos, we've been looking at the different types of fish that we are having in Uganda. So right now we are going to see how we clean our fish. You know, we are having it is not easy, by the way. You know, there is this outer skin of a fish. It is kinda hard, and not only being hard, it does not taste well. If you find yourself having a piece of that skin, you know, it is not a whole skin, it is just a piece, you know, so it sounds not good. Actually, it does not taste well if you have that scale in your mouth. You know, it is kind of hard and you cannot chew it to softness. I don't know whether there are people that can chew, but for me, you know, speaking on my side, there might be people who can chew it to its softness. So we are going to see how we are cleaning our fish. We see how we clean it thorough clean, because you know some of our lakes are sandy. Yes, sandy, like sandy, they are full of sand. So for that, we have to make sure we clean it very much well. I know all of us have problems with eating sandy food, so for that, with fish, we just have to give it that good time, so that we come up with the best of our bestie. Yeah, thank you. Come with me as we are going to look at different ways of cleaning our fish. We love you. Lenny. So I remember last time we talked about I remember when we were talking about Lake Victoria, we talked of we talked about different types of fish that is caught in Uganda. So right now we are having imputa is known as Nile perch. Yes, so we're having different mudfish, catfish, what, but for today we are going to look at what we are going to see how we clean our Nile perch. Nile perch is kind of this is the Nile perch. Yes, this is how it looks. So when we are cleaning it, we are looking at these scales. I don't know whether you see them. These move away. So if they remain there, you find yourself I don't know whether you see what I'm doing. So those ones that so this is what we mean. When you leave them on your fish, the fish does not really feel nice in your mouth when you're eating it. I remember us in our village, we used not to eat these fish, but I don't know when I grew up, I got used to it. I got my other family that I went to, they used to eat, so I also adapted that system of eating it. And the system with me is that when I want to eat something, I have to know how it is processed. Not that when I want to eat it and no one there, I can easily get it for myself, not waiting for someone to have it for me or to prepare it for me. Okay, that's not being a woman. A woman has to face all fears of life. You know, this is not easy. So this is one of the fears a woman should face. I don't know why. Yeah, but the Bible says it all. This is the work of what? Of the woman. This is what we should do. This is our role at home. And then when it comes to our husbands, yeah, not this modernized system where everyone, where we share roles. Eh? So that is nail patch. Tira walk subu asai kumneizi. Mukto. Aha, so you've gone another process. You know, these things are process by process. So right now we've removed this outer skin. You see how smooth it is right now. So right now we are going to remove the intestines. You cannot eat the intestines, so you have to remove them. And the next one. Now I have to cut here. So my knife is knifing. So there is a part that should not be. Only it is attached to its what? To its part of the head. So it's not clean. So right now the other thing is what? It's washing. See? It's clean. You do that to others. Oh my God. Ebinyonga ndine byokulya hansi wambinyetera busa. So this is where we are. So right now it is clean. You see, this is how you find it in your watch, in your supermarkets, in your offices, I mean your homes. This is the process they go through. I would love to show you different parts of fish, but that's not really possible. I have to cut it. So with that, I may be not able to do that. Baby wange ndonjire wali. very sweet, eh? Just that when you find this kind of fish drawn, you are scared of the smell. You know that different types of fish have different smells. Then it is very nice, washing it thoroughly. I mean, not once, not twice, more than 3 times. You wash it as you said. They live in some mud fish, so that means they live in mud, in lakes, actually lakes, and then in lakes still there is what? There is soil. So you just have, and then it is the head that keeps most of the dirt. So you have to clean it more. And then there is a sour part. If you know the name of that sour part, then please mention it in the comment section. I would really love to know, because I failed getting its English name. And even the Uganda name, is it a noon? So I don't know its other name, its English name. So if you know, then please. This is an air sac of the fish. So we have to put them in the watch. In our food. Have no reasons of throwing them. Air sac. This one is orange. I think that is because it was so mature. That's why I think the color is orange. So I think it was so mature. What are you in again? Yeah. So like I was saying, you don't have to wash it 1 or twice. Oh, let me help you. Thank you, baby. Gamba, you're welcome. Okay, the last time. So here we are. They are now very, very clean. I hope you can see them. They are very clean. I hope now you're not going to get difficulties in what? You won't get difficulty in cleaning them. Yes, that is the use of our YouTube channel. So please subscribe. Yes, hit that notification button that any video that comes in, you'll be notified, and you can watch it in time. You never know, or in time you'd wish to watch it. So thank you so much. This is Edith Curtis. We love you. We love your viewership. We love it when you come and visit our channel, and we shall be very glad if I find your subscription on this channel. You have a beloved day. Yes, we love you so much. Bye bye.